Today we are going to discuss operations on matrices. Then first we are going to discuss addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Let A and B are two matrices, comparable matrices. कह सकते हैं ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N and B is equal to Bij M cross N. Means दोनों मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर M cross N है, means M row and column. Then A plus B is equal to Aij M cross N plus Bij M cross N we get, and we can write it as Aij plus Bij M cross. Let us take one example. Let A is equal to the matrix of order 2 cross 3. मान लीजिए हम ले लेते हैं -1 5 7 -2 and B is equal to a matrix we take 3 5 7 4 -5 2. Then A plus B is equal to 2 3 -1 5 7 -2 plus 3 4 5 -5 7, right? And you will add the corresponding element. Means A11 को B11 से ही ऐड करेंगे, तो 2 plus 3 here, 3 plus 5 3 plus 5 -1 plus 7 5 plus 4 7 plus -5 and -2 plus 2 you will get. Then here 5 9 8 7 -5 2 6 0. This is the octant matrix of the same order as the order of A and B. The order of A and B are 2 cross 3. Then the octant matrix is also of the same order 2 cross 3. One more thing you have to remember, if the order of A and B are not same, then we can't add them. Let's take an example. For example, हम अगर ले लें कि A is equal to 2 3 5 7 1 4 and B is equal to, this is a matrix of order 3 cross 2 and we take a matrix of order 2 cross 3 2 5 3 7 9 1 and we will try to add them then not possible to add because the order is not same. 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 7, 5, 9, 3, 1, 3 into 2. We will add A11 with B11, A12 with B12, बट इसे हम किसी भी नंबर से ऐड नहीं कर पाएंगे, इसे तो कर, क्योंकि ऑर्डर सेम नहीं है। ऐड पॉसिबल तभी है जब ऑर्डर सेम हो, तो एडिशन इज हियर नॉट पॉसिबल। एडिशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल एज ऑर्डर इज not, then we can add two matrix when they have the same order. Now if we discuss about the subtraction of matrix, it is also possible only when they are of the same order. Let A and B are two matrices of same order. A is equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij m cross n. Then A minus B is equal to this, same as we did in addition. And we take an example. Let A is equal to this and B is equal to this. Then A minus B is equal to 2 minus 3, 3 minus 5, minus 1 minus 7, 5 minus 4, 7 minus 5, minus 2, minus 2. And the obtained matrix, because here we see that this is a matrix of order 2 cross 3 and this is also of the same order 2 cross 3, then we obtain a matrix of same order 2 cross 3 and it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 8, 1, 7, 5, 12 and here minus 4 of the order 2 cross 3. Now, negative of a matrix. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n be a matrix. Then negative of the matrix A is denoted by minus A. Then minus A is equal to minus Aij m cross n. For example, if we take A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 4, this, 2 cross 2 matrix, then minus A is equal to minus 2 minus 3 4 is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 3 minus 5 and here minus 4, 2 cross 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 5, means the sign of the, on checking the negative of the matrix, the sign of the corresponding element will be changed. Now, if we discuss about the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, multiplication of a matrix with scalar. If we talk about let A be a matrix of order Aij m cross n, then K is equal to K Aij m cross n is equal to K Aij m cross n. Means let A is equal to a matrix 2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 2, a 2 cross 3 matrix, and K is equal to 5. Or then Ka is equal to 5, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2 cross 3 is equal to, the 5 will be, this constant will be multiplied with each element of the given matrix. 5 into 2, 5 into 7, 5 into 3, 5 into 5, 5 into 4, and 5 into 2. And we get 10, 35, 15, 20, 25, 10, 2 cross 3.